Children, here we are observing Nichols 3D model of application. First, I am operating pond. Here you are observing 3D model of pond. Excellent pond 3D diagram you are observing on interactive flat panel, and there you see aquatic animals like fish, they are moving in the water. So it is a pond ecosystem, and there you see the plants of lotus flower, rock is there, and you see the plants of different types of zones in a pond ecosystem. So there we are seeing how a pond system is present, and there you see the plants of some plants and also some animals like fishes. Now we are observing our topics information. So here you are observing an important 3D model, and there you see the presence of a fish, and that is feeding on plants which are available in that system. So here you see the presence of catla fish. So it is a fin fish. So here you are observing catla fish which is feeding on plants, aquatic plants, and you are observing 3D model of a pond. That pond is having a fish, and that fish is called as catla fish. Children, now we are observing another 3D model of a fish, and this fish is having fins, and this is a fin fishery. This is a fin fishery, and this fin fishery, these fishes, they live in water, and farming of fish is called as fishiculture. There you see the presence of fins, and caudal fin is there, and tail fin is there, and it is also having gills, and it is an aquatic organism, and it is included in fishiculture, farming of fish. Now we are observing another 3D model. So there you see presence of water, and also some aquatic animals also there here, and you see the presence of a sword fish, and it is used in zone. It is also called as aquatic, that is zone, and there you see the presence of different types of stones, and also water is there, and also fishes are there. Now we are observing another 3D model, and this fish is also called as prawn fish, and we discuss there are two types of fisheries, and they are fin fishery and also shell fishery. Fin fishery example catla and also rohu. Already we observed the diagrams of the rohu and also catla, and here you are observing another one, and this is called as a prawn fish, and prawns are grown or rare in marine water and also fresh water, and it is also called as a commercial crop, and farmers are getting more, that is prawn yield, and also it is economically important prawn. So prawn is having shell, and prawns are called as a shell fishery. Example for shell fisheries are prawns and mollusks. So here there are four categories of fishes are there, and also we discuss the aquatic system, aquatic farm, Best example that is the pond ecosystem, pond, and there we observe there are different types of different species of fishes they live in pond, and some of them are that is surface feeders. Example, there we see catla, and middle zone also some of the fishes are occupied, and they are with that is rohu, and at the bottom of this pond also we see bottom feeders, and they are common crab and also regal, and some of the fish they feed on the food that is available at the bottom of the pond, and that those are that is called as that is weeds, and weeds also consumed by the fishes, and they also they also eat and feed the that is the weeds which are grown at the bottom of the pond. So here these are different types of fish, and they are grown in a common form, and this type is called as composite farming. Children, so in this video we studied so technical terms like what is fishiculture. So fishiculture means farming of that is fish is called as fishiculture, and we also discuss what is aquaculture. So aquaculture, the term aquaculture is giving an information that different types of organism, aquatic organism, so mollusks, oysters, and prawns, fish, and different species of different varieties of species we grow in water zone, aquatic zone, and that is called as aquaculture. And also we discuss different types of fisheries, and they are fin fishery and also shell fishery. Fin fisheries are example, fin fishery example, rohu and catla, and shell fisheries example, prawn and mollusk. And also we discuss different types of culturing of fish, and they are capture fishery and also culture fishery. Capture fishery means, so here we are capturing we are capturing fish from the pond, from the rivers, from the marine zones, and that practice is called as capturing fishery. And also we studied that is culturing a fish. So culturing a fish denote that, so we are rearing different types of fishes, different varieties of fishes in a small zone, and that is called as culturing a fish. And also we discuss a good example of pond. There we can grow different varieties of species of the fish. They can coexist and lead their life, and they eat different types of feed that is available in the pond. So we discuss some of them are surface feeders like catla, and middle feeders, and they are rohu, and also bottom feeders, and they are common crab and also regal. And also we discuss some of the fish they feed on the weeds they are growing in at the bottom of the pond. So in this video we discuss what is fishiculture, and what is aquaculture, and what is fin fishery, and what is shell fishery, and what is the capture fishery, and also what is culture fishery. And these are the terms we learned clearly in this video. Thank you, children.